Hey saxophones, welcome back. On today's video, we're going to do Accent Book 2, page number 28. On today's page, the key signature is in the upper center portion of the page and it has two flats. That means that all B's and E's are flat and we're in the key of B flat major. This multiple flats is also the name of number 97, our first exercise. Multiple flats has two flats and is in cut time. Remember, cut time is where we change the value of the notes by cutting them in half. Whole notes get 2 beats, half notes get 1 beat, and quarter notes get half of a beat, much like an eighth note in 4/4 time. So let's give it a try as we do number 97 together. 1 and a 2, 1, a 2, 1 and 2 and a 1 and go. Now the two flats are B flat, 2 inside, and E flat with our E flat key right here, our pinky. Let's do that one more time. 1 and a 2, ready, set, go. Next is Over the River and Through the Woods. This piece also has multiple flats, B flat and E flat. This American folk song is also in the time signature of 6/8. Remember that 6/8 time is where we count in groups of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 6/8, eighth notes get 1 beat. Quarter notes get 2 beats. Dotted quarter notes get 3 beats. And a dotted half note would get 6 beats. Let's give it a try. Number 98, Over the River and Through the Woods. And that's the first few measures of the song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. An eighth rest would get 1 beat in this song. And notice there are certain places where you have an eighth rest or 2 eighth rests. Make sure that you rest for the 1 pulse or the 1 count. Number 99 is by Georges Bizet. It's the March of the Toreadors or the Bullfighters. This piece is in common time. So good old 4/4 time. 4 counts per measure. Whole notes get 4 beats, half notes get 2, quarter notes get 1. Now the rhythm pattern, dotted eighth and 16th, is used repeatedly in this exercise. Remember, I called that the Humpty-Dumpty rhythm because the dotted eighth note 16th has that sort of lopsided feel. A dotted eighth note is really 3 16th notes from a 4 16th note group, and those 3 16th notes are tied together for the dotted eighth note. Let's play March of the Toreadors. And 1, 2, ready, begin. Speaking of dotted eighth and sixteenths, fum 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 also uses the pattern in the traditional Spanish carol. Also, we're using a D sharp. D sharp is the enharmonic equivalent of the note E flat from the top of the page. So when you see a D sharp, you are also playing an E flat. 1, 2, ready, go. That one's fun to play. If you'd like, pause the video, rewind, and retry that one again. Actually, any of today's exercises, you can rewind and review as much as you need to. Remember, you're aiming to make progress, and progress is what you get when you practice. The last exercise is called Accent on Creativity, Extending or Extended Composition. And now you're writing a composition of any length using a separate sheet of music paper. Use repeated rhythmic and or melody patterns to create unity, and then use some contrasting material to create variety. When you've finished, play your composition and see how it sounds. So until I see you next time, keep practicing.